Zoom and other video conferencing applications have become important tools for communication. And the most important part of the conversation is good, clear, intelligible audio. It's not pretty pictures. There are several ways to get good quality audio. Let's take a listen to several examples in this typical office to hear the effect that microphone pipe and placement have on audio quality. This is an audio example using the built-in microphone and loudspeaker on this MacBook Pro computer. Both the subject to microphone distance and loudspeaker to listener distance is roughly 60 centimeters. When Joe speaks over me,
here I'm going to start speaking to show interactive speech in this setup
from the open loudspeaker. This is an audio example using the built-in microphone on the computer, but breaking the feedback and echo path by wearing headphones. Again, the subject to microphone distance is roughly 60 centimeters, but the loudspeaker to listener distance is effectively 0, eliminating the acoustical coupling between microphone and loudspeaker. When Joe speaks over me now,
here I'm going to start speaking to show interactive speech in this setup.
Headset microphones greatly reduce the subject to microphone distance and loudspeaker to listener distance. In absence of side tone, I'd be talking much louder and the conversation would be fatiguing. The audio quality is limited by the inexpensive electret microphone and analog electronics. When Joe speaks over me,
here I begin
there are few artifacts and
to show
good
interactive speech in this setup.
The SM58 and its close cousin, the SM5B, are popular podcasting microphones. As dynamic microphones, they're relatively low sensitivity, and when used for speech at distances beyond touching lips to the microphone, they require lots of clean gain to bring them to proper level. And since I'm using a DSLR camera for picture and the MixPre for audio, this has introduced a lip sync issue. The camera signal takes longer than the audio path. This should be noticeable. This is the same setup with the SM58 and MixPre, but this time I've applied 180 milliseconds of audio delay at the USB output of the MixPre sent to the Zoom session. I'm still hearing myself in real time in headphones without delay. This delay compensates for the camera signal and brings back lip sync. This is the same setup with the SM58 and MixPre, but this time I've dialed in 6 dB of NoiseAssist to reduce the sound of the ventilation system in this room. That noise is now attenuated with no effect on my speech. Both the latest MixPre 2 models and all 8 series models can run the available NoiseAssist plugin.